This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green beans. Green beans thrive in full sun, so choose a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light each day. Well-draining soil, enriched with organic matter, provides the perfect home for their roots. Ensure the soil temperature is consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit before planting to give your seeds the best start. This careful preparation sets the stage for a bountiful harvest. Once your garden bed is ready, it is time to plant the seeds. For bush varieties, sow each seed about 1 inch deep and 3 inches apart, spacing rows about 18 to 24 inches apart. If you are planting pole beans, give them more room, placing seeds 4 to 6 inches apart, and be sure to install a trellis or support system right away. After planting, give the soil a gentle, thorough watering. Consistent care is key for healthy green bean plants. They need about 1 inch of water per week, especially during flowering and pod development, so water deeply. Applying a 2-inch layer of organic mulch will help retain soil moisture and reduce weed competition, keeping the plants happy. Regularly check for any signs of pests, such as aphids or Mexican bean beetles, and address any issues early with appropriate organic methods to protect your plants. The most rewarding part is harvesting your fresh green beans. Begin picking when the pods are firm, tender, and typically 4 to 6 inches in length. Carefully snap or twist the pods off the plant, avoiding damage to the stems. Harvesting every 2 to 3 days will encourage continuous production, ensuring a steady supply of delicious beans for many weeks. Enjoy the fresh, crisp flavor of your homegrown harvest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.